Okay, and this is video 4. In the previous one, we showed you, I showed you how important it is to uh, to make sure that you have the correct vehicle type, right? If it is going to be a box truck, it has to be listed as a box truck, not a cargo van, not a semi truck, not a flatbed, not a pickup, right? It has to be a box truck. Um, to get it done right, 2018. So we're gonna correct this, we'll make it right. I put it Freightliner M2 for the purpose of the example. The next thing people tend to manipulate, it's the garaging zip code. Now, uh, Progressive or any other company, they understand that you're a trucker, right? And you might not have the space or the ability, or it can simply be more convenient for you to park your vehicle at a different place than your residence or where you listed your company as, right? So they ask you, is like, is the vehicle garaged at that same spot, right? And 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 as you can see, if we leave it like that, uh, the rate is, I don't remember what it was, but I believe it was somewhere around the 30, and again, 36 or 37 or something like that. It was the rate. Let's see what it was, just so when we adjust it, you can see the difference visually. All right, 38,000. And now, let's say I just wanted to send you like an amazing zip code. Although this is going to be harder to show you because my office is in Statesboro. Statesboro, it's pretty rural. But let's say you are in Atlanta, right? Atlanta, Georgia, and you know, see like a zip code for Atlanta. I think I have one here. 1 second. So a zip code for Atlanta would be something along the lines of 30038. Now, if we do that, which that's not the case, but um, just to understand how things get manipulated and done, you know, all of a sudden our $38,000 rate became $87,000 rate. So now think of it the other way around. Your business was in Atlanta and you were getting $38,000 rate, the one we were getting, but somebody put you like Statesboro garaging. uh, your rate would have became 18,000, for example, right? Because it is much less traffic in Statesboro. Now, again, there is nothing wrong with parking your truck somewhere else or in a lower risk zip code, and you should do that for the sake of your business and for sake of convenience. However, this has to be um, a real thing in for the purposes of insurance. I mean, this is where really it has to be garaged. Um, However, some people intentionally are using this option here with the garaging zip code um, to just provide lower rates and just to get the customer. And then once it turns out this is not the case, guess what? The price goes up, and again we end up in the same situation. How Progressive increased my price, or Geico increased my price, or Berkshire, or whatever the company it might be. Canal. I mean, it doesn't matter. I mean, the same thing applies. If you put the wrong information here just so you can get a good rate on the front end, uh, rest assured that this policy, all these commercial policies, they go through underwriting review. uh, usually within the first 2 months, and then that's 100% sure. And they also go through periodical reviews, and these people are trained. They know what they're looking for, and if something looks strange, they're gonna definitely make sure they're gonna do their investigation, and your policy will get either canceled or the price will go up if this is put in incorrectly. I mean, that information has been input incorrectly. All right, in the next video, we're going to go to the next thing that can really affect your rate and how the quotes get prepared for you.